back to my channel, and here we are going to solve this problem. As we are told here that three views of a block are given in figure 2, and then we are asked to draw full size the isometric view of the block, making K the lowest point. Alright, so these views are given in first angle orthographic projection. This is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the left end elevation. This is the left end elevation. Okay. So based on what we have here with the dimensions given, we are going to put this part together to obtain the isometric view of this object. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is to construct this L shape. As we have this L shape on the left side, so we also have the same thing on the right side. Okay, then the lowest point is here, so this is the lowest point, so we need to take note of that. So let's start and see how this can be done. So what we need to do first is to draw a horizontal line, just a short horizontal line here. Then with my 30-degree set square, so being set here, so I'm going to draw a line in this direction. Okay, so drawing a line in this direction, and at this point I will draw a short vertical line. So this is okay. So then, as I said that I'm producing the shape of the end elevation as we have in form of L without the features that we have here. So that's what I want to do first. So distance from here to here is 50 millimeters, and total distance from here up here, so we have it to be, so this is 20 plus okay, let me come in, this is 50, so 50 plus 25, that is 75. So I will take a measurement of 50 millimeters from here. So 50 millimeters from here, this is 50 millimeters here. So at this point I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line at this point. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 75 millimeters up. 75 millimeters up, this is 75 millimeters. So from this point I'm going to draw a short line forward. So the line comes like this, so with my 30-degree set square. So then we also need to take some other measurement. So as we have here that so the distance from here to here is given here. So the total is, we have 15 plus 5, that is 20, and then the thickness of this from here to here is given here in the plan as 10 millimeters. So I need to come up here and take a measurement of 10 millimeters forward. So this is 10 millimeters. Okay, then I will come here and take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. So now I'm going to transfer this point, so just take it a little bit backward. So there is it. So we draw it a bit backward. Okay, like this, and then so this point I will make it a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. So from this point, so we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so to join this point. So now, having drawn this now, so I'm going to take my set square. So but before that, let me indicate the lowest point. We need to make sure we indicate the lowest point. So it's part of what we are going to mark. So we need to make sure we indicate the lowest point. So then with my set square at this point, I'm going to draw a line in this direction. So we draw a line in this direction, and then coming to this point, I will draw a line in this direction. Then to this point here, I will also draw a line in this direction. Okay, so then coming here like this, I will also draw a line in this direction. So like this. Then at this point also I will do the same thing. So this is it. Okay, so now we need to take the measurement of the width down here. So as we can see here in the front elevation, from here to here, this is 15. So then we have what? We have 5, that is 20 plus 10, that is 30. So 30 plus 5, that is 35, and 35 plus 15, that will give us 50 millimeters. So I need to come here and take a measurement of 50 millimeters from this point, 50 millimeters. So this is 50 millimeters here. So what I need to do here now is to draw a vertical line at this point. So here I will draw a vertical line to meet this line. Then I will transfer this point, so transfer it to this end here. Then I will also take this up, okay. Then I will complete it here at this point here, okay. So we have completed it as we see here now. So now let's bring out some of the pictures that we have here. So let me start with with this curve that we have here. Let me start with the curve that we have here. For the curve, so we have that the radius is 25. That is the distance from here to here. It's 24. That is the radius. So so what we are going to do is that we are going to take a measurement of 25 millimeters. So 25 millimeters down. Okay. So this is 25 millimeters. So then we also take 25 millimeters down, because for me, when it comes to this kind of work, I usually use an isometric square, so to get that work done. So I only need to construct the semicircle, so part of it, but I usually make use of isometric square. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do here. So also, so I will draw like this. All right, so then I'm going to divide this 50 millimeters into two equal parts. So this is 25. So then I'm going to draw a vertical line here, so like this. All right, so we have this. So if I'm to label this, so this point, so let me say this point is point A, so this is point B. So for those who are just seeing how to construct isometric circle, so this is point C and this is point D here. So here I have E, okay. So this is point F, this is point G, and this is point H here. Alright, so then the next thing we are going to do is that we are connecting the longest corners together. So this is BC. So we connect the longest corners together, so like this. Alright, so then I'm going to connect this point A. So half, I'm drawing half of it, not the whole of isometric circle. So since the half, and then so we have the curve. We have a curve around here. So all I need to do is to join AH together. So point A and H, I will connect them with a straight line like this. So that's all that I need. That's all that I need now. So what I need to do now is that I put the point on my compass here at this point. Okay, so extend it to H. Okay, so then I'm going to draw an arc. So I will draw an arc. So from here to here, like this. Alright, so then, so I'll put it at this point A here, and extend it to point G. So by the time I draw, or let me take it from H here. Okay. So by the time I draw an arc, so I'm going to draw an arc from here, so just to make this line. Okay, so we have this. Alright, so okay, so with what I have here, so I have this drawn. So now, so we also have the curve on this part. So this is what I do. So when it comes to the work like this, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a line from G. So from point G, I will draw a line to meet this vertical line. Then I come up a little bit, anywhere at a distance, so away from the first one. So I will also draw a line from here. Okay, so coming to this point, so I can make use of this line. I can make use of this line. Then coming to around here also, so I want to create a point here. I want to create a point here, and then so at this point, I will draw this, then coming here to this point, so I will also draw a line from here to here. Alright, so then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take 30 millimeters on this, but from here to here is 10, and then also from here to here it's also 10, so I'll leave it like that. Then I'll come to this point here and take 10 millimeters. So from this point, so take 10 millimeters, this is 10 millimeters. Here also I will take 10 millimeters, this is 10 millimeters. Yeah. Alright, so this is 10 millimeters from here to here. Then coming here, so coming here, if I take 10 here, so this is going to alright, so I'll just take I'll just come forward a bit, so I'll take 10. Alright, so with my French curve I'm going to connect the point together. So these are the points that I'm talking about. So this point, connected to this point, connected to this point, to this point, and then here. So I'll just come here like this. So you need to adjust it to make sure the curve comes out very well. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Alright, so I can go with this. Okay, so then, so this part, so I'll connect these together. Okay, so then, so for this one, I need to make sure the curve comes out very well. So I need to use okay, so that is what we have there. So all I need to do now is to make this line a thick line. So now, so it has, the curve has come out, so I can make this line a thick line. So I can just make it a thick line at once. The other ones I still need to leave them. So let's bring out other features that we have in this work. So what are those other features that we have in this work? So we have this shape that we have here, this shape. So we have it here at the front here. So this is the front elevation, we have it at the front here. But before that, let me construct this rectangle so that I will not forget. So let me construct the rectangle. So for the rectangle, so we have that the length is 20 millimeters, distance from here to here 20 millimeters, and the width is 15, and its center is 25, which is this 25 that we have here. So what I just need to do, so to construct the rectangle, is that I need to come to this point here. Okay, so I will take 10 millimeters to the left side, 10 millimeters to the right side here. Okay, then from the center here, so I will take a measurement of, so it is 15, I will take it as 16, so take 8 and 8 millimeters down here. Alright, so then I'm going to, so here I'm going to draw, so this line, okay, so coming up here, so I will draw a line, then I'm going to draw a vertical line, and draw this also as a vertical line. Alright, so now at this point, the solid object, at this point we are going to see a line that goes in. So I need to draw from this point inward like this. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters from this point, because we should be able to see, the thickness is not much, so be able to see the other end of this rectangular hole. So taking 10 from here. So what I'm going to do here now with this 10, so I will transfer it so to this point. So I want to make sure I make it thick at once. So draw a line like this, and then so I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. And then so all other lines I'll make them thick line like this. So let me bring it out at once, as you can see it here. And also this line will be a thick line, and this line also is a thick line. Alright, so that is the rectangular part that we have there. So we are done with that. Now let's come to what I said we have at this point at the front here. So here we have this shape, so it's at the front. So and then we have that from here to here is 10 millimeters. It's 10 millimeters, and the depth of this thing is 5. So I'll come to the middle of this. So in between, so this is 10. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line down here, and a vertical line down here. So then I will take 5 down. So this is 5 millimeters. So I will transfer this transfer it to this side, like this. Then I'm going to take this, so it goes inward a bit. Okay. Alright, so we have that. So then another thing that we have here, we also have it on this side here, on this side. So we also have it, so it's also 10 millimeters as we have here, and also the depth is 5. So then the distance of that, so I have to take 10 millimeters from this end. So from this end I'll take 10 millimeters. So this is so I just take 10 millimeters from this end. So this is 10. Then I will take another 10. So this is 10 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line here, and also here. Then I will take 5 millimeters down. So this is 5 millimeters. So here I will transfer it. So I will transfer it. It goes forward like this. So then I'm going to draw a line to take it to the other side. So draw a line from this point to take it to the other side. So it goes like this. The end, and also from here, so it also goes to the end. Alright, so I'll come to this point here. So I will draw a line. This line, we must draw it. Okay, then at this point here, I will draw a perpendicular line to meet this line. Then I will transfer this. So take it forward here. So also I will come to this point. Then I will draw a line that goes in like this. So and at this point I will draw a vertical line so that connects this together. Then I will transfer this so it goes forward like this. Very, very important. So we have created those features. So then the next thing that we have here, so we have a curve here, a curve that connects this straight line and this straight line together. So distance from here to here is 10. So what I need to do is to take 10 millimeters up here. So I take 10 millimeters up from this point, take 10 millimeters up. So also I'll come to this point and take 10 millimeters up. So then I'm going to create a square. So I'm going to create a square on this part. So here I will draw a vertical line to meet this one. So also, so from this point I will use a line like that and then draw a vertical line. Okay, so now, so we need to blend them together. So I will use my French curve to blend them together. So what I'll just do is to set like this. Okay, so set like this. Alright, so I can go on and join this together. Alright, so I blend them together. So also I will come here, so set my French curve like this, and then I will blend them together. Alright, so all the features have been brought out. What I just need now is to bring out the feasible outlines and edges with a thick line. I'm using my black pen to do that. So I'm going to pause the video, and then after I've done that, I will come back and we'll see the final results. Alright, so this is the final result. So this is what we are asked to do. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at it. Thank you, and God bless you.